7 health of your gums and teeth hacks only the pros know. Maintaining good oral health is important for overall health and well-being. Regular brushing and flossing, eating a balanced diet, quitting smoking, and visiting the dentist regularly are all important steps towards maintaining healthy gums and teeth. However, there are also some lesser and known tips and tricks that the pros use to keep their gums and teeth in top shape. Here are 7 health of your gums and teeth hacks only the pros know. 1. Brush and floss regularly. Brushing twice a day and flossing daily is crucial to maintaining the health of your gums and teeth. This removes plaque and food particles that can cause tooth decay and gum disease. 2. Use a mouthwash. Using an antiseptic mouthwash can help kill bacteria that cause gum disease and freshen your breath. 3. Eat a balanced diet. A balanced diet that is low in sugar and high in calcium, vitamins, and minerals is essential for maintaining healthy teeth and gums. 4. Quit smoking. Smoking is a major risk factor for gum disease and tooth loss. Quitting smoking can improve the health of your gums and teeth. 5. Use a soft-bristled toothbrush. A soft-bristled toothbrush is gentler on your gums and teeth, and it can also be more effective at removing plaque. 6. Visit your dentist regularly. Regular dental checkups and cleanings are important for maintaining the health of your gums and teeth. Your dentist can detect and treat problems early before they become serious. 7. Be gentle when brushing and flossing. Brushing and flossing too aggressively can damage your gums and teeth. Be gentle and use proper techniques to avoid damaging the delicate tissues in your mouth. Taking care of your gums and teeth is an important part of overall health and wellness. By following these 7 health of your gums and teeth hacks only the pros know, you can maintain healthy gums and teeth and avoid the pain and complications that come with gum disease and tooth decay. With these tips, you can keep your gums and teeth healthy and strong for years to come.